Skin wax has a natural purify and invigorating quality, enriched with anti-inflammatory and soothing action. Leaves the skin smooth, soft, and prevents premature aging. Remove the aluminum lid and place wax can in heater and turn thermostat on maximum setting for a quick melt. Stir wax until proper consistency has been reached and turn heater down to normal temperature. Clean the area to be waxed with Intimo Pre-Wax Lotion. Apply wax in a thin layer in the direction of hair growth and wait 1 to 2 seconds for the wax to cool. And to ensure proper adhesion, then remove with strips. After epilation, apply Intimo After Wax Lotion to calm and soothe the skin. Available in 9 different variants: Brazilian black, avocado, banana, green apple, orange, lemon, honey, titanium, zinc oxide,